Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Natural Remedies. I'm Tracy. Maintaining healthy knee cartilage and well-lubricated joints is crucial for mobility and overall well-being. As we age, the wear and tear on our joints, particularly our knees, can lead to discomfort and decreased functionality. However, incorporating specific foods into your diet can support cartilage regeneration and joint lubrication, promoting better joint health. Here are 5 types of foods that can play a significant role in achieving this. 1. Seaweed. Seaweed such as nori, kombu, and wakame is rich in minerals like calcium and magnesium. These minerals are essential for bone health and may support cartilage regeneration indirectly by maintaining overall bone density and structure. Seaweed is also rich in antioxidants like vitamins A, C, and E, as well as flavonoids and carotenoids. These antioxidants help protect joint tissues from oxidative stress and damage, which is beneficial for maintaining joint health. 2. Pineapple. Pineapple is not only a delicious tropical fruit, but also holds several health benefits, particularly for joint health and cartilage regeneration. One of its key components is bromelain, a mixture of enzymes found in the fruit stem and juice. Bromelain is known for its potent anti-inflammatory properties, making it beneficial for alleviating joint pain and reducing inflammation associated with conditions like osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. 3. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have potent anti-inflammatory properties. Omega-3s help reduce joint inflammation, thus alleviating pain and preventing further cartilage degradation. These healthy fats also support the lubrication of joints by maintaining the integrity of the synovial fluid, which acts as a lubricant and shock absorber. Choose lower mercury fatty fish like sardines, herring, wild-caught salmon, Atlantic mackerel, and anchovies. Avoid buying large-sized deep-sea fish, as deep-sea fishes tend to have longer lifespans, which allows more time for mercury to accumulate in their bodies over time. The longer a fish lives and the larger it grows, the more mercury it can accumulate from its diet. 4. Bone broth. Bone broth is a rich source of collagen, glucosamine, chondroitin, and amino acids, all of which are essential for cartilage health. Collagen provides the structural framework for cartilage, which glucosamine and chondroitin support its repair and maintenance. Regular consumption of bone broth can help reduce joint pain and improve cartilage regeneration. 5. Orange and yellow vegetables. Orange and yellow vegetables like carrots, sweet potatoes, and bell peppers are high in beta-carotene and vitamin C. Beta-carotene is a precursor to vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining healthy tissues including cartilage. Vitamin C supports collagen production, which is vital for cartilage repair. These vegetables also provide antioxidants that protect the joints from damage. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe and click the bell button for more videos of mine. Thank you.